Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Investors can gear up for cash flow in the form of dividends from companies listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Dollar Financial Services Limited has advised that the Board of Directors meeting scheduled for February 7, 2025 will consider an interim dividend payment to shareholders. Access Financial Services Limited has advised that the Board of Directors at a meeting scheduled for February 6, 2025 will consider a dividend payment to shareholders. Massey Holdings Limited has advised that the Board of Directors meeting scheduled for February 6, 2025 will consider an interim dividend payment to shareholders. The Bank of Jamaica announced that the government, faced with a $7.29 billion shortfall in revenue and grants during the period April to November of this fiscal year, will be floating a 273-day, 182-day, and a 91-day Treasury bill in order to raise some $2.1 billion Jamaican dollars under the competitive bidding to help fund the national budget. Applications for a minimum amount of 5,000 Jamaican dollars must be made through the Bank of Jamaica's Jam Clear Central Securities Depository between 9 a.m. and 10:45 a.m. on February 5, 2025. Grace Kennedy, owner of 70% of spring water company Catherine's Peak, has reached an agreement with Spike Industries to acquire the remaining 30% stake in Catherine Peak Bottling Water Company, making it a wholly owned subsidiary of Grace Kennedy. Frank James, CEO of Grace Kennedy Foods Domestic and incoming Group CEO in February, described the acquisition as a strategic milestone that reinforces Grace Kennedy's commitment to owning leading Jamaican brands with global market appeal. This deal will make Grace Kennedy the dominant player in the local spring water market. For the trading period ending January 30, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Caribbean financial conglomerate NCB Financial Group Limited, with 9,023,372 units traded, representing 18.89% of market sales volume. Online Educator One-on-One Educational Services Limited, with 6,286,576 units traded, representing 13.16% of market sales volume. Financial and food conglomerate Grace Kennedy Limited, with 6,004,166 units traded, represented 12.57% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On January 30, 2025, Bank of Jamaica reported US $56.25 million purchased and US $66.50 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.08 per dollar, selling the US at $157.82 and buying the US at $156.74. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.86 per transaction, with selling at $110.11 and buying at $108.25. The British pound yielded Forex traders $4.91 in profits, with selling at $195.39 and buying at $190.48. For our credit report tip of the day, if your credit score is below 500 points, you may find that the only very high interest rate financial institutions will lend you money. As a self-employed professional, visiting your banker to discuss creditworthiness is a crucial step toward building financial stability. Here are some options. Prioritize credit repair. Correct inaccuracies on your credit report immediately. Then start a secured credit card and use it responsibly to build credit. And finally, monitor your progress. Regularly review your credit report for improvements. Now, when we're looking at building something from nothing, really that's nothing to financial resilience. Overcoming burnout and building financial resilience and recovery as a professional woman over the age of 45 who seeks a slower pace of life with passive income involves thoughtful planning and action. It is important to combat burnout with financial security. Always reach out for advice if you need specific guidance. Here are the steps you can take. Downsize and simplify. Embrace a simpler lifestyle by cutting unnecessary expenses, creating space for peace and fulfillment. Then automate savings and investments. Set up an automatic contributions to retirement account or your brokerage account to grow your wealth effortlessly. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.